tactic is, for example, if you have a weight loss channel, you want to go on YouTube and you want to search for example, how to lose weight. And that is if you have, for example, vlog channel, you want to find some related YouTube channel that you upload related videos. And also the most important part about growing your YouTube channel is that you have good content. If you have a really bad content, no one is going to subscribe because no one cares about what you upload. So that is also a really interesting fact. If you have bad content, you can get millions of views, no one are going to subscribe because they don't want to watch your videos. But my first tactic is, for example, how to lose weight, and I wouldn't go and look these videos that are a little bit old. You can see this video was uploaded 9 years ago. So you want to go on filter and you want to search for videos that are uploaded this week, and you can see right here this video is getting tons of views and it is probably going to get tons of views in the future. So what you want to do is you want to go on these popular YouTube videos, you want to watch what these videos are about, and you want to write a comment like, hey, this is interesting. This is an interesting, I don't want to write a comment, but you can post something like, hey, this is interesting video, I found it really helpful. I have also some of the videos on my YouTube channel on how to lose weight, so if you want, you can check them out. So this is also a great way to get a few eyes on your comment. You can see right here, this comment has over 804. This comment has over 800 likes. That means that this comment probably saw around 50,000 people. So that is really important, because if you get some of the eyes, not everyone are going to subscribe, but let's say 50,000 people saw your comment, let's say only 200 people subscribe to your YouTube channel because they're interested in, and other people don't care. So you got 200 subscribers from nothing, just posting a comment. So this is really great way to go and find these popular videos and try to promote yourself. But you don't want to be very aggressive, because other people are going to flame you in the comments like don't self-promote or something like that. So you want to post a little bit of value and then promote your YouTube channel. My second way is what you can do on these popular YouTube channels that you're trying to create. You can go and answer some comments. For example, if someone is asking in the comments like, hey, how can I lose weight? You can go and post the comment. You can click right here on the reply. You can answer them and you can say like, hey, I upload videos on my YouTube channel on how to lose weight. So if you want to check that out, you can also do that. So that is a second way. Third way is what you can do is you can go and use Facebook to promote your YouTube channel. So first of all, there are some groups like let's subscribe for subscribe and something like that, but that is not going to work, because people that do subscribe for subscribe, they're not going to watch your videos. So that is basically useless. So what you can do is you can go right here, weight loss, and click on groups. So you can find these weight loss groups that are related to your content. Go and join these groups. Click right here on join. It is 100% free to join any group on Facebook, so you don't need to worry about that. You already know, but you can see I have joined tons of different groups right here. You can see joined, and how you can join, just click right here and click on join group. So you can see I have joined tons of different ones, and you can go and see that these groups have crazy amounts of people that subscribe. So you can see you can go and find people that have some questions about weight loss, and you can go and answer them, and that way you can promote your weight loss channel. So you can see right here, this group right here, promote your weight loss products. You can join them and try to get some people to click on your YouTube channel, YouTube videos, and that way subscribe and watch your videos. My fourth way, and this is one of my favorite ways, guys, to promote my YouTube channel, and that is Quora. So you probably know what Quora is about, so you can find people that are asking these questions every single day. So for example, if someone is searching how to lose weight, I made a mistake, weight. So how to lose weight, you can see that people are creating these questions every single day. You can see what are the best ways to lose weight. So you can see 7,000 people followed this this question, and probably it got crazy amounts of views. So what you can do easily is you can go and click on that comment, and you can reply and post your YouTube channel. You can see these guys promoting something like his program on weight loss or something like that. And usually people on Quora always promote their YouTube channel or some their products, weight loss products. And this is, as I said, one of the easiest ways to get tons of subscribers, because you're getting highly targeted traffic, or for example, how to make money online. So that would be something if I wanted to grow my YouTube channel. So you can see what is the easiest way to make money online. 9,000 and more followers on this question. So this is really great, guys. And you can find, as I said, tons of different people that are interested in your content, and this way you're promoting yourself, answering their question. And as I said, it is really important to bring a lot of value, not only just in your videos, but in these questions. So when someone is asking this question, make sure to give good answer and then promote your YouTube channel. Don't just go and post your link to YouTube channel. No one is going to care. But if you have some good value, they're going to check that out. My fifth way to promote YouTube channel is Reddit. So Reddit can be a little bit difficult to promote your YouTube channel, because they don't like when Reddit don't like when they see that you're trying to promote something. So make sure, as I said, like on Quora, make sure to give a good answer to your viewer, or in your question or answer, make sure to give a good answer and then promote your YouTube channel. So for example, if you go and search how to lose weight, you're going to find tons of different groups. You're going to find tons of different questions like how to lose weight without going to the gym. You can see this question has a lot of traction, and you can go in the comments. You can answer this question and post your name of your YouTube channel to check that out, or you can go and promote your YouTube channel with your link. But usually on Reddit, what I would do is I would post like, hey, I have this YouTube channel, and you can post the name. You don't want to post the link, and you can check that out if you're interested in how to lose weight, for example, without going to the gym. So if you have a quality video, make sure to link it in these comments when you give the answer. My sixth way to grow YouTube channel really fast is to go on Google. Type in how to, for example, lose weight. And what you want to do is you want to click on tools. So you want to sign you want to look for the websites that have posted in last 24 hours. So you can see past 24 hours, and you want to go on these blogs, and usually they don't have a place to give a comment on, for example, this blog, but if they have, make sure to post your comment with your YouTube channel, like if you want to see more videos like how to lose weight or something like that, you can check my YouTube channel. So you can see this one doesn't have any comments, but it doesn't matter. You want to go back and search for another one. So you want to find a lot of these websites, and you want to talk about how amazing their content is on that website, and then try to promote your YouTube channel. And my last one, and this is one of my favorite ones, and that is using forums. So you want to go and search like this. You want to write forum and then write what keyword you're trying to search for. If you are trying to search for make money online, make sure to enter make money online. But if you're searching for weight loss, you want to write like this, click on search, and you're going to see all these different forums that have people that want to lose weight or want to make money online or want to get motivated, or any YouTube channel that you can imagine. You can find forums around them, and you can see this one has 1.5 million members. So you want to go and join these forums for free, and you want to answer their questions, and that way you're going to get a lot of eyeballs to your YouTube channel, you're going to get views, and you're going to get subscribers if they enjoy your content. So you can see right here, this forum has some questions like, why am I not losing weight? So different type of questions, and if you know a lot about weight loss and you have weight loss channel, you can go and answer them and also promote your YouTube channel at the end of the comment or post. So that is one of the easiest ways that I have used to grow my YouTube channels, and I think that this is a very successful way. And again, I know it is really hard to grow from zero, but once you get this started, once you start promoting your YouTube channel and get your eyeballs, a lot of eyeballs, different eyeballs to your YouTube channel, you're going to get some of the subscribers. So guys,